What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Beef Outdoors. Cole Karski here. I am sitting at the Access on a lake I've never been to, never even heard of. Gonna try to fish the bays for some panfish. Finally, we're out on ice. I got on ice once this year already, before the Arrowhead Ice Fishing Show in Duluth. I was able to poke out there just for a little bit of time. I'll drop a couple clips of it right here. By our house.
It's in there. It's bad.
The better variety, though.
A little bigger. I upsized.
Micro T-Flasher and Billy Rub. Yeah. I didn't bring pants. I just have long johns.
Oh, so what under there is all you got? Just
Yeah, long johns.
That might be weird.
Yeah. I don't have any pockets or anything.
I'm sure they'll understand though.
Hey, I've been driving around Duluth before. I've seen the way people dress.
There you go, Cole.
Oh. Hey.
Nice job, buddy. Want a picture?
Yeah. Let me,
Come too.
I'm gonna salvage this quick, though.
This is a good fish here.
Tank bluegill?
Yeah. And I want him to go back, so there we go.
Yeah, I'll get a picture of you quick and yeah.
That's when I looked into it. I knew it wasn't a bluegill. It was way too big.
But I'm out here. I have a couple of hours and a new lake, so I'm gonna try the base and see if I can wrangle up some panfish. So stay tuned. It's a bit windy this morning. I'm starting out with kind of a vertical hanging tungsten and the new Euro Tackle Plankton, of course rubbed in Billy Rub, and my new 40-inch tip. So weird to hear a gas auger. Oh. Robbed. Went down like a rocket, so probably a little bite. dead stick down. I'm gonna guess mini pike. Fun surprise. That's a good bass, especially for a little jig. Take that in the summer all day. Well, I just ended up with the one largemouth bass. Tons of little marks. Guessing I was kind of around the little sunfish, but couldn't figure out what they wanted. But I got out, got the beard a little frosty, and that was a fun fish to get into. So not a wasted trip. Definitely fun to go try new lakes, and we'll see what we can find. This is Cole Karski, Beef Outdoors. Tight lines, everyone.